Hello, just a quick tutorial how to prepare beef marrow, and I have to say, guys and girls, you have to be very careful with this, because 100 grams of that marrow has 835 kilocalories and also 92% fat. Now, these two bones have 750 grams, but of course the bone is very heavy, so I don't know exactly how much marrow is in there gram wise. However, be very careful, and if you have a high cholesterol, this is definitely not the kind of food you should eat. I do have high cholesterol, which is bad enough, so I still will eat it just to make sure my cholesterol tablets had something to do for tonight. But without a joke, it's a no-no. 100 grams, 835 calories. So if you eat 200 grams, you almost on the daily limit of the 2000 grams. So it's very heavy. Now to the preparation. It's straightforward. Just put it into a tray and into the oven. Setting is 190, bottom and top, and then we're gonna go for 30 minutes right into the oven. And after the half time, you have to turn the whole thing over. Now, I have a big oven as well, as you can see, but I prefer to use that small oven because it is somehow getting quicker hot and saves much more energy. That big oven takes ages till it warms up, and then for those two bones I don't want to whack the big one, so I always have a spare small oven in my kitchen. It's cheap and cheerful, nothing special, but it really bakes handsomely. Let's have a quick look what's happening here. They said to turn it over. I mean, I don't know what the point is, but okay, let's do it the way they said. I'm gonna turn it over now, but as I said, I don't think it makes any difference, but it might does, you know. So it's always better to follow the instructions, of course. Right. Okay. Now it's gonna go back for another 15 minutes, and then we're gonna put it on toast bread and eat it. So definitely stay tuned. Right. That's it. So it has another 15 minutes more or less left. Now this is almost ready, and it's very important. It's very important that this is eaten warm or hot, in fact. So I put in the bread, because when the whole thing cools out, it's not very tasty. So bread went in. That's gonna, the bell is gonna go soon, and then I'm going to show you. Now this is all done, as you can see. Now theoretically, if you whack it on a chopping board, the marrow should come out. Now this is not an easy task. You need to use some silicone gloves, because this is really hot. So theoretically now if I whack it here, it should come out. But it's not really happening, and I don't really understand why. I need to use a little bit more force here, but I don't want to break the hob. So right, so this is absolutely bullshit. It's almost no marrow. So with the grilling it's bad, because look, this is all the marrow in here, more or less. So the cooking way is definitely better. Now this seems to have plenty in it, but this one is just this is all which is very, very disappointing. Anyway, let's try this one. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah, that's more like it. Right, so this is it, and this is going to go straight on the toasted bread. Yep. With a little bit of salt. But as I told you guys, you need to eat that more or less immediately, because if it cools out, it's not really nice. Thank you for watching. I need to get on with it and eat it now. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was a little bit all over the place, but with one hand I'm holding the camera and with one hand I'm working, so it's not that straightforward. Catch you guys later. Please share, subscribe and like. Bye bye.